kasih. Good afternoon, Miss. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Skill Foundation Class, and I'm the manager at Unilever Company. And I'm here to conduct an interview for the supervisor job position that you have applied for. The purpose of this interview is to gain a deeper understanding of your qualification, experiences, and how they align to our team and organizational goals. We appreciate your interest in our company, and I look forward to our conversation today. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Selamat siang, nama saya Karina Wibowo. Sebelumnya saya ingin berterima kasih kepada Miss Kila yang memberikan kesempatan saya untuk wawancara ini. Sebelumnya saya adalah seorang senior staff di Indofood, di perusahaan Indofood, dan di sana saya cukup berpengalaman dalam bidang pemasaran dan pengembangan produk. Di sini saya tertarik untuk mengisi sebagai supervisor di perusahaan Indofood karena saya tertarik dengan nilai-nilainya yang merupakan inovasi dan pendidikan, dan juga saya ingin mengembangkan pengalaman dan tujuan bersama.
So, can we start the question section? How would you characterize your leadership style? And can you share an example of a situation where it helped you achieve an objective?
Jiwa dan gaya kepemimpinan saya itu lebih bersifat kolaboratif. Jadi saya percaya bahwa setiap anggota tim dan seluruh tim itu memiliki karakteristik masing-masing yang penting juga. Jadi saya berusaha untuk menangkap semua ide mereka. Jadi kalau ada proyek ya, jadi saya akan biasanya mengadakan pertemuan mingguan yang saya akan mengumpulkan semua ide mereka dan mengkolaborasikannya.
Alright, thank you. And the next question is, when dealing with underperforming employee, what steps do you take to address the issue? And can you provide an example of successful outcome?
Oke, jadi misalnya saya melakukan karyawan yang underperform, saya akan melakukan diskusi bersama dia secara pribadi. Saya akan melakukan pendekatan terlebih dahulu untuk menanyakan alasan apa yang membuat dia itu underperform. Jadi ketika sudah menemukan masalahnya di mana, saya akan melakukan pelatihan tambahan untuk dia dan
Alright, next question. Can you recount a time when you had to mediate a conflict with your team members? What strategies did you employ to facilitate a resolution?
ketika ada dua tim yang berbeda pendapat, saya sebagai pemimpin saya harus tegas dan bijak dan melakukan pertemuan keduanya secara langsung, di mana saya bisa mendengarkan pendapatnya tim pertama dan tim kedua secara masing-masing terlebih dahulu, dan saya akan mengkolaborasikan hasil idenya untuk hasil yang lebih. Selain itu juga hal ini tuh dapat menghilangkan konflik dan menumbuhkan rasa kepercayaan masing-masing.
So the question session is end for today. Thank you for taking the time to attend me today, and I appreciate your insights and interest in the position. Thank you, ma'am. Please have a seat. Thank you, miss. So, good afternoon, miss. Thank you for joining me today. I am Clara Fashion Class, and I'm the manager at Unilever Company. And I'm here to conduct an interview for the supervisor job position that you have applied for. And the purpose of this interview is to gain a deeper understanding of your qualifications, experiences, and how they relate to our team and organizational goals. And I really appreciate your interest in our company, and I look forward to our conversation today. So, please could you introduce yourself?
First of all, thank you for Ms. Kila for having me for this interview. I was an assistant manager in my previous company in IKEA, and right now I'm looking forward for a job role as a supervisor in Unilever Company.
Could you please tell me your name?
Oh, I'm sorry, I forget. Inka Zainaisha.
Thank you. Can we start the question section?
Yeah, sure.
How would you characterize your leadership style? And can you share an example of a situation where it helped you achieve a team objective?
Okay. As my experience as an assistant manager, I would say that coordinating and also supporting my team and another division of the company is the main aspect to achieve the successful results, where I usually supporting and also providing the trust for my team and the whole division, and also providing the guidance and resources for them to build such confidence. And for that, in that matter, they will also gain trust for the fundamental of the company. In that matter, we can achieve the best output for the company.
Next question is, when dealing with underperforming employee, what steps do you take to address the issue? And can you provide an example of a successful outcome?
Okay. In that matter, I would say that as an assistant manager in my previous company, I usually taking an approachment such as looking for the root cause why the underperformance employee do such things, and in that matter, I also have a meeting face to face, so I can finally lead them to improve as a team in this company.
Last question, can you recount a time when you had to navigate a conflict between team members, and what strategies did you employ to facilitate a resolution?
When two teams are having disagreements, I would say the best approachment was to have them meeting face to face, so they can compromise the best ground basic for the solution, which means that they can also openly showing their own perspective, but also still felt heard and respected as they try to making the best decision in that matter.
Thank you, Miss. So the question session for today. And thank you for taking the time to meet me today. I appreciate your insight